I wish he told me earlier. I used a debit card for 10 years. I could have traveled more with my family. If you use debit or cash, like that guy, then here's 5 reasons why the Capital One Venture X is a great beginner card for families to travel more. Number 1, simplicity. If you're a family that just wants one credit card and you don't want to think about which credit card to use, then Capital One Venture X is a great card that has 2% cashback on all your purchases. Maybe you happen to own an old Wells Fargo credit card or a debit card that gives 1% back. Well, automatically you get double the cash back right away. Second, the one card strategy eliminates the number one problem that travel hackers face. What card should I use? Is this the right card for the right store? All of that gone. Poof! All you have to do is make sure that you use your Capital One Venture X and get that 2% back, regardless if it's a restaurant, a grocery, or the gas. Number 2, the $395 price tag. What? You might be saying, Eric, are you crazy? I've never paid $395 in my life for a credit card. That's 2 Disneyland tickets, did you know? What if I told you the card actually pays for itself? The Capital One Venture X, on every annual renewal, you get 10,000 Capital One points. You also get $300 to use at the Capital One travel portal. How much are 10,000 points? 10,000 points actually equals $100. Ask yourself, do you travel enough to use $300 a year for travel? You can book hotels, flights, rental cars on the Capital One travel portal. If you travel at least $300 worth of travel each year, then this card pays for itself. Number 3, points are like cash. Capital One lets you use your Capital One points at a 1-to-1 ratio on their web portal and basically erase charges off your credit card statement. Each point is worth 1 cent, unlike some other cards where you might get only a certain percentage or when you erase credit card charges directly. So why does this matter? Because if you happen to be a family that wants to go to Disneyland, you know that tickets are expensive. Did you also know that Disneyland tickets are one of the hardest things to travel hack? You can buy Disneyland tickets directly with your Venture X and then erase it directly from the portal with your points. Number 4, the $900 sign-up offer. As of filming of this video, there is an elevated offer of 90,000 points. So at a 1-to-1 ratio, equivalent to $900 in cash. So that could be $900 towards Disneyland tickets. Disneyland tickets are expensive. In the first year, you would pay $395. You would get $300 in travel credit. And then you would also get this $900 sign-up offer, which brings you to $805 net positive in your first year. Number 5, unlocking travel partners. This is actually the most important reason why it differs from a normal cashback card. This card will enable you to unlock travel reward partners where you can transfer points directly to their travel partner programs. For example, say you wanted to fly business class across the Atlantic Ocean. For 55,000 points, you can redeem it for this amount of price and save thousands of dollars. So remember number 4, that 90,000 point sign-up offer could actually be much higher depending on how you use those points. Best part of this is you don't have to learn how to do more advanced travel hacking. By getting this card, you have the option to learn more. And if you want to learn more, check out this next video.